All right, dudettes, we are going to pick up the cheapest 7.3 on Marketplace. Okay, my dad's about to run over me. We're taking this 7.3 in the aluminum trailer to go pick up a $2,200, 177,000 mile. It's a manual 2-wheel drive 7.3 on Facebook, just listed. We're going to pick it up. Talked this guy down to 2,500 bucks. He was asking 3,200. No idea what's wrong with it. He said it was running last week. It could be a sensor, it could be something bad. No matter what, 177,000 miles, it's worth it no matter what. Remember guys, I just sold a 190,000 mile 7.3 2-wheel drive. Obviously way nicer than this one for 17 grand. So we're gonna go see if we can't pick this thing up. If it's a piece of junk completely, we're not gonna buy it. But if it looks pretty nice, we're gonna buy this thing, load it up on the trailer. Luckily, me and my dad just hooked up a winch to the back of this truck so we can winch this baby onto the trailer. Let's get on the road and see if we can't pick this thing up. All right, we're headed out. This is one sweet trailer. See, when your trailer's aluminum, you got a lot more load capacity because you don't have all the weight from a steel, but they just, our gate is falling apart. They just make the metal way thicker and then it holds the same. Well guys, we bought it, got it for 2 grand, and we're in the people's yard loading this thing up on the trailer. She's freaking, the inside's great looking. Got a nice little display. It's gonna be a good truck for my sister, definitely, if we can get this thing running. Got her loaded up, boys. She does have a different tailgate. Other than that, just one little scratch, but we gotta figure out what's wrong with it. Pretty nice truck overall, but we'll get her home and take a better look at her. All right, boys, got home. I think, well, let me get these gates closed. I don't know. We might give y'all a quick view of it. I gotta go eat dinner though. Y'all see me? I'm kind of amazed at how good this thing looks for it being 2 grand. That's all it paid. Let's give you a quick overview of it, and then as we're fixing it, then we'll make more videos. Back here, got a red tailgate that kind of sucks, but not that bad. We've got some interesting wheels. Probably they need to be cleaned up, or we will get some new wheels for it. Need some tires. Frame's not real rusty. I mean, just some surface rust. It's got really sweet steps. Apparently these are really rare and worth like $1 grand. I don't know if that's true. The interior is like super duper clean. Like insanely clean. I can't believe how clean this thing is. A little bit of work here and there. But yeah, next video we'll get into tearing into this thing and seeing what's wrong. I think it's a fuel related problem from just sitting, because this thing apparently was sitting a really long time. So I think that's all that's going to be wrong, hopefully. But we will see, and we'll make some content as this thing, as we own this thing. So yeah, we'll have another video very shortly. We will see what's wrong with her. Real nice truck though, for $2,000. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. Remember, Jesus loves you, I love you, and we'll see you in the next one.